Are you a drag racer ready to go to that next level? If so, L&H Race Cars is where you want to go. With over 38 years of experience in drag racing, L&H Race Cars has become a premier pro model race car fabricator and builder. L&H Race Cars specialize in design, fabrication, custom headers, welding, chassis setup, suspension and drivetrain creations, which are of the highest quality. The L&H facility, which is located in Oxford, North Carolina, is licensed for legal NHRA and IHRA approved chassis building. The shop is fitted with all the tools and equipment to produce anything from simple customer upgrades to complete turnkey solutions. L&H Race Cars are committed to your success and will stand shoulder to shoulder with you to help find that winning setup. One of our goals is to meet each challenge by applying our years of experience of modeling, building, and fabricating drag racing cars to meet and exceed our clients' expectations. For over 20 years, we have partnered with our clients, stayed with them through the tough times. But as we work together to get things figured out, we move to the next level together. For more information about L&H Race Cars, visit us at www.lnhracecars.com or call us at area code 919-693-4241.
Final round, Pro Outlaw Door Slammers at Maryland International Raceway. Michael Knight about to face off with L&H Race Cars, Bobby Leonard from North Carolina. Final round, Pro Outlaw Door Slammers.
If you want a championship car that's also a show quality piece, come on down to L&H Race Cars.